Welcome to our channel, where today we reveal the simplest way to log in to your Pinecone Research account hassle-free. Welcome to our channel. This guide will walk you through every necessary step to successfully log in to your Pinecone Research account. First, open your preferred web browser and navigate to Pinecone Research's official website at the top right corner of the home page. You will see the Login button. Click on it. Once the login page loads, you will be prompted to enter your credentials. Enter the email address or username associated with your Pinecone Research account. Make sure you type it correctly to avoid any errors. Next, enter your secure password into the password field. Remember, passwords are case-sensitive, so double-check for accuracy. If you encounter difficulties logging in, such as forgotten passwords, use the Forgot Password link located right below the password field. Follow the instructions sent to your email to reset your password. After filling in your credentials, click on the Submit Sign In button to access your account. Once logged in, you will be directed to your dashboard. Here you can start taking surveys and managing your account details. If you plan to use Pinecone Research, frequently consider bookmarking the login page for quick access. Always ensure your internet connection is stable before logging in to prevent session interruptions. If you use a shared computer, remember to log out of your account. When done, to protect your privacy and data, avoid using public or unsecured networks for logging in. It's also a good practice to update your password regularly to maintain account security. By following these clear and simple steps, you will never struggle logging into Pinecone Research again. Remember that each step is designed to keep your account safe and accessible without trouble or confusion. You're all set to enjoy all the features Pinecone Research offers. Thank you for trusting this guide, and we hope it makes your login process effortless.